morning and welcome. I'm here at the Printech Middle East stand at the Dutch Print and Patel exhibition, and I'm here with the sales and marketing director of Prati, Chiara Prati. Hello, welcome, Chiara. Good to see you. And
Good
I'm also
morning.
here. Good morning. I'm also here with the CEO of Printech Middle East, Mr. Pankaj Patel. Hello, Pankaj. Good to see you. It's been a long time that we have come together like this in a live experience. Chiara, if I can start with you, how was life? Especially these 2.5 years. It's been a bumpy ride for all of us, and it was unexpected, but unpleasant to little bit. But it also gave us some pleasant experience of business, also, I suppose. So let me ask you to take us through this journey from Prati's standpoint.
Yes, Benjamin, you are right. These last 2 years were very special, let's say that. So let's give a positive meaning to this experience, the COVID experience that was unexpected and new for all of us, also, of course, for our industry. Despite everything was closed down, Prati could anyhow support his customers and also do new business thanks to the strong relationship established with the partners. Indeed, our relationship with Printech started in 2007, so 15 years ago, and thanks to that, we could keep on serving the market and our customers, even not in presence. We could even install machines remotely. So, as Italian, we are very flexible. So we could invent new ways to stay closer to the customer and to keep on selling and supporting them virtually on a virtual way.
Wonderful, wonderful. Pankaj, if I can ask you this similar question from a regional standpoint, what was your experience? These 2.5 years to take care of your existing customers' challenge requirements in terms of service and support, and perhaps also some new installations and new business that you had. Please share us your experience.
Sure, yeah. I think for us, 2020 had been a good year. Again, even though it was COVID, but because 2019 there were a couple of interesting installation orders, so those machines were delivered in 2020, and the COVID came. So it was very new challenge. But then again, as a flexible industry or as a printing industry, we are also always looking at challenges on a day-to-day basis. So the best way is that even the support, like from our principals like Prati, Omet, they didn't created something which we would never have thought earlier, that we installed machine online or on Zoom calls and training and everything. So, and which also gave us a possibility that how to make or break down the whole process into very small, documented and very precise format. So that was also a big learning. Same way, there had been a lot of challenges about supply chain and so on and so forth. But again, that was for everybody in the industry. And I was very happy that our team, our partners and everybody really worked out of the box, whatever it was needed to make sure that our customer continue and we help them win. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Here, if I can ask you about Prati as a company, you have launched some new products, is what I understand. And tell us a bit about these new products. And yes, please.
Yes, indeed, we optimize these 2 years of restrictions also with the development of new products that mainly fit for the digital market industry. Our new machine is called DigiCompact. Is a very ergonomic solution that fit for any material, so can convert and finish any job digital printed. In addition to, of course, a new development on our existing solution like the DigiFast 1 and the DigiFast 20,000 that better target the high-end market segment. So target the customer that are keen to produce highly embellished labels. The DigiCompact, on the other hand, cover a market that is different, is a medium market, the professional, what we call the professional market, and give the customer the possibility to enter also in new business with no risk. This is the big plus of this machine. Indeed, it converts flexible packaging as well as pressure sensitive label, roll to roll, roll to sheet, and roll to stack, all in 3 meters of space on the floor only.
Brilliant. Dwelling on the same point, where do you see digital labeling or digital print for labeling industry going? Previously, we saw that as a very small niche area, which very few were kind of choosing to be there. But now, labeling as industry has evolved and it's grown quite a lot. And most of the major, big and the medium-sized label printers are investing in digital labeling technology. So, where do you see this market going? And with your digital finishing specialty that you have, give us your take on this.
Yeah, the contest nowadays drives everybody to digital because customers, the end users, so the end customer want to have personalized items, or the brand owners want to have always something new to take to the market to tempt the customers. So digital is a must. Digital is the future. Will not be the sole solution present in the industry, because I think that also the existing solution, flex, offset, rotogravure, will have their way, especially for quantity products, okay? But mainly for labels, for promotional labels, or let's say, cosmetic labels, I see a big future in digital. It is easier also for the customer to start, also for the new one to start with a digital press rather than a conventional one. So we are trying all with our solution, all the companies, the most experienced one, as well as the new entries, okay, to be successful, because our success actually is the mirror of the success of our customers.
Just dwelling with the last question for you, Chiara, on Prati as a company. Like you have done well and you have a lot of products in your portfolio serving a finishing line of business, and with this digital also being specialized. How do you really set yourself apart? You have so many other colleagues. I don't want to use the word competitor, but many other suppliers, machine manufacturers doing same business, same kind of solution. But how do you set yourself apart from your competition or your others?
First of all, I have to say that there is room for everybody. Okay, so we feel them as other manufacturers and not competitors. Actually, they sometimes help us to improve or motivate us to improve. So we are thankful to them. Actually, we we focus on flexibility and versatility. So our machine stands distinguish themselves for these two main big points, because we want to provide our customer with solutions that are future proof, so can safeguard his investment, customer investment over the time. With our solution, thanks to the modular concept, to the scalable architecture, Futura technology, we can do that. So we can really stand as partner of our customers, not suppliers. This is our key point. And of course, the digital is very important to keep on helping them. We digitalize more and more the machine, not only the process. For us is a key, and this is the reason why we implemented many solutions on the converting line, like the fast cut, that is the automatic knives positioning system, or any other solution that help the operator during the setup or the running of the machine. Brilliant. We try to convert as a Printech payoff to convert constraint into opportunities. Last question, last information. Prati will have an open house the 22nd and 23rd of June in Italy, by the headquarter. Okay, the open house names is the digital experience. So we invite you as well, okay, and all our customers to see what's new in the finishing of digital printed labels and unsupported substrates.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pankaj, if I can just ask the last question. Our region has a lot of innovations, but it also comes with some areas where it needs. I mean, as a supplier who's closely working with the converters here, what do you see? Where do you see us as a label industry in our region, and where do we stand now? And what do you think is the future?
Overall, yes, label industry has evolved in the region, but now what we can see is they are also looking at some of the very interesting, challenging jobs, as well as the main challenge for them, or what we have seen them is that they are also adding more technology where they can do high-end jobs, as well as also minimum waste. So they are also embracing technologies like digital finishing, as well as also different kind of substrates. They are also now looking closely at sustainability or circular economy, so recyclability of some of the. So and I think as an industry, we are as a partner for them, we would like to bring more and more awareness and knowledge on the table, so that we all can go to the next level together. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Pankaj.
Thank you very
And
much.
thank you, Chiara.
Thank you,
It's a pleasure seeing you.
Thank you very much for your time.